name is Shantanu. Today I visited Look Studio for my hair transplant. I did a hair transplant with 1800 grafts, and the entire process from the payment to the operation was completely hassle-free. So this was my experience with the Look Studio, and I feel little bit of numbness because of the anesthesia. Otherwise, the entire procedure was completely painless and scarless. So it took somewhere around 4 to 4.5 hours for the completion of the process, but eventually I'm sure the results are going to be fantastic.